This actually tastes like meat. I'm going to finish these tacos. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexus and this is Nam Nam to Fitness. Today I'm making the most absolutely delicious jackfruit carnita tacos. So good. I cannot wait to show you the recipe, so let's hop right into it. So I started off by adding 1 diced green pepper and 1 diced yellow onion into a hot skillet with some grapeseed oil, and I let that cook down. I'm seasoning it with some sea salt and some black pepper. So here I have 2 20-ounce cans of jackfruit and brine. You can use jackfruit and water, whichever one you can find. If you use brine, just make sure you wash it off really good. And I'm slicing the hard parts off of the jackfruit. You just want to get the squishy part, the one that's more of the shredded meat texture. So this is the part that you want to cut off at the bottom. Once the peppers and onions were done cooking, I added 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic. Now I'm adding the jackfruit into the peppers and onion mixture. And I'm also adding in a half cup of veggie broth. And then I'm going to cover it with a lid and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Next, I'm making the seasoning paste. I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I use low sodium soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, a half teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, a half teaspoon of sea salt, 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil, a half teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar. Now that the jackfruit is done simmering, I'm just taking my fork and I'm pressing down on it so the texture can be more like shredded meat. Now I'm adding the seasoning paste. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke and the juice of 1 whole lime, and I'm going to let that cook down on low heat for 5 minutes. Once the jackfruit is done cooking, I added it onto a sheet pan on top of some parchment paper, and I'm going to spread it out and bake it at 425 for 15 to 20 minutes until it is crispy and browned on both sides. When that's done, I'm heating up 2 corn tortillas, let it get nice and golden brown on both sides, and I am assembling my taco. Okay, I'm going to try the tacos. That is delicious. Oh my goodness. This actually tastes like meat, but it's a lighter version of it. I'm telling you, the flavors in this, incredible. You have to make this. This will go really good with my cashew cream sauce. Like, really good with it. You can find canned jackfruit at most Asian markets. That's where I got it from. Seriously, if you miss meat, if you miss like shredded pork and stuff like that, that will definitely do the trick. Please make it. If you do, feel free to tag me at NamNam2Fitness on Instagram, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye. I'm going to finish these tacos.